What's the meaning of botanical garden? Botanical garden. Botanical garden.
Botanical garden. Botanical garden. A botanical garden is a place where various plants are grown and displayed for educational and scientific purposes. The garden typically includes a diverse collection of plants, such as trees, flowers, shrubs, and herbs, organized according to their scientific classification. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, botanical gardens serve as important centers for research and conservation efforts aimed at preserving plant species and promoting sustainable ecosystems. Visitors to botanical gardens can learn about the natural world, appreciate the beauty of different plant varieties, and gain a deeper understanding of the role that plants play in our lives.